Welcome to the Mystery Archive. This is the home of forgotten stories, unexplained events, and the strangest anomalies that history, has left behind. The enduring mystery. What is the hidden signal? For decades, whispers of a hidden signal from NASA have, permeated conspiracy forums, late-night radio shows, and countless online discussions. This alleged cosmic transmission has become one of the most persistent mysteries in modern space exploration lore, captivating amateur astronomers and skeptics alike. The allure of this mystery taps into humanity's deepest questions about our place in the universe and whether we are truly alone among the stars. From grainy recordings passed around internet forums to elaborate documentaries claiming to expose government secrets, the hidden signal has, taken on a life of its own, evolving far beyond whatever scientific phenomenon may have initially sparked the speculation. The fascination with this mystery reveals something fundamental about human nature. Since the dawn of the space age, we've gazed upward with equal parts wonder and trepidation, hoping and perhaps even fearing that someone might be gazing back. Every unexplained blip on a radio telescope, every unusual pattern in cosmic data becomes a potential message from beyond, a sort of cosmic bottle cast into the infinite ocean of space that has finally reached our shore. The hidden signal represents the ultimate validation of our cosmic curiosity, the possibility that NASA has detected something extraordinary but has chosen to keep it under wraps. But as we'll discover, the truth behind this enduring mystery is far more nuanced than the sensationalized theories suggest, and understanding it really requires us to separate scientific fact from speculative fiction. So let's start unpacking the speculation by debunking some common myths. The theories surrounding NASA's alleged hidden signal really run the gamut from plausible to, outright fantastical. Perhaps the most popular claim suggests that NASA detected an extraterrestrial transmission, a deliberately structured message from an advanced civilization that space agencies worldwide have conspired to suppress, just to avoid global panic. Others insist the signal represents evidence of time travelers communicating across temporal boundaries, or that it reveals coordinates to habitable exoplanets that governments want to colonize in secret. And, some theorists even claim the signal contains warnings about humanity's future or instructions for constructing advanced technology. These theories, while certainly captivating, consistently crumble under scientific scrutiny. The fundamental problem with the alien communication hypothesis is that if NASA had detected such a signal, the sheer number of scientists, technicians, and international partners involved would make a cover-up virtually impossible. Modern astronomy is a collaborative, peer-reviewed discipline where data is shared across institutions and borders. Any legitimate extraterrestrial signal would require verification from multiple independent observatories, making it nearly impossible to suppress. Furthermore, organizations like SETI have established clear protocols for announcing potential extraterrestrial contact, protocols that honestly prioritize scientific verification over sensationalism. The reality is that many so-called mysterious signals throughout history have proven to have entirely terrestrial or natural explanations. The famous WOW signal, detected in 1977, long considered the best candidate for an extraterrestrial transmission, was likely caused by a passing comet releasing hydrogen gas. Pulsars, when first discovered, were jokingly labeled LGM for little green men, because their regular pulses seemed impossibly precise, until scientists understood they were rapidly rotating neutron stars. Equipment malfunctions, satellite interference, and even, believe it or not, mundane sources like microwave ovens have triggered false alarms at radio observatories. The pattern is clear, extraordinary. Claims about cosmic signals consistently yield to ordinary explanations once proper investigation occurs. So, what actually sparked the hidden signal mythology? Well, while pinpointing a single source is really challenging, especially since these kinds of rumors tend to just sort of metastasize online, several legitimate NASA discoveries have been, misinterpreted or sensationalized into something they were never meant to be. One likely culprit involves the detection of fast radio bursts, or FRBs, which are these intense pulses of radio energy from distant galaxies that last only milliseconds. When astronomers first began detecting these phenomena in significant numbers, their mysterious nature and incredibly precise timing led to, perhaps inevitably, speculation about artificial origins. NASA's various space missions constantly detect unusual cosmic phenomena that require, careful analysis. The Kepler Space Telescope, for example, identified thousands of exoplanets by measuring the dimming of distant stars, and some of these dimming patterns, at first, really defied easy explanation. The famous case of Tabby's star, which displayed highly irregular dimming patterns, sparked intense speculation about alien megastructures before astronomers determined the cause was likely a swarm of comets or planetary debris. Similarly, the Voyager spacecraft have detected mysterious increases in plasma density at the edge of our solar system. The Parker Solar Probe has observed unexpected magnetic field behavior near the Sun, and radio telescopes regularly pick up transient signals that require, extensive follow-up to explain. The crucial distinction here is that NASA scientists approach these anomalies with rigorous methodology rather than just, jumping to sensational conclusions. When the Arecibo Observatory detected unusual signals in 2020, astronomers traced them to malfunctioning equipment. When the Mars rovers capture unusual rock formations or lighting effects, planetary geologists carefully analyze the geology and atmospheric conditions, rather than declaring evidence of past civilizations. This disciplined approach may seem perhaps a bit less exciting than conspiracy theories, but honestly, it represents the only reliable path to genuine understanding of our universe. NASA maintains remarkable transparency about its discoveries and the scientific process behind investigating cosmic phenomena. The agency regularly publishes its findings in peer-reviewed journals, makes raw data available to researchers worldwide, and hosts public briefings about significant discoveries. When unusual signals or observations occur, NASA follows established protocols. Preliminary data is scrutinized, alternative explanations are considered, and independent verification is sought before any announcements are made. The scientific community has repeatedly addressed claims about hidden signals through official channels. NASA's SETI program, though no longer directly funded by the agency, continues through private institutions with full transparency about their search methods and criteria for identifying potential extraterrestrial signals. The agency has also been remarkably candid about the challenges of distinguishing genuine cosmic phenomena from interference, publishing numerous papers about radio frequency interference, instrument calibration issues, and the statistical methods used to separate signal from noise. This rigorous peer review process is not a conspiracy to hide information, but rather a safeguard against announcing false discoveries that would undermine public trust in science. History provides sobering examples of premature announcements that proved embarrassing, such as the 1996 claim of fossilized Martian bacteria in meteorite ALH 84001, which remains hotly debated, or the faster-than-light neutrinos reported in 2011 that turned out to be a measurement error. Scientists have learned that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and that patience in verification serves the public interest far better than sensational headlines. The persistence of the hidden signal myth reveals something profound about our relationship with the cosmos. We yearn for confirmation that we are not alone, that the vast universe contains other minds contemplating the same infinite questions. This yearning is not foolish but deeply human, driving us to explore, to question, and to push the boundaries of our understanding. The real wonder lies not in manufactured mysteries but in the genuine marvels that scientific exploration continues to reveal. Looking forward, NASA and international space agencies are developing unprecedented capabilities to probe the universe's deepest secrets. The James Webb Space Telescope is analyzing the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, searching for biosignatures that might indicate life. The upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will survey vast swaths of the cosmos, potentially discovering countless new worlds. Radio telescope arrays like the Square Kilometre Array will listen to the universe with sensitivity far exceeding anything previously possible, making the detection of genuine extraterrestrial signals more likely than ever before. Perhaps most importantly, we're learning that the universe needs no embellishment to be extraordinary. Black holes photographed for the first time, gravitational waves detected from colliding neutron stars, organic molecules discovered in interstellar space. These verified discoveries eclipse any conspiracy theory and their profound implications for our understanding of reality. The truth, as they say, is not only stranger than we imagine, but stranger than we can imagine. The real hidden signal isn't something NASA is concealing from us. It's the constant whisper of the universe itself, broadcasting in wavelengths across the electromagnetic spectrum, waiting for us to develop the technology and wisdom to listen and comprehend. Every day, scientists decode new pieces of this cosmic message, not through secrecy and suppression, but through collaboration, peer review, and the patient accumulation of evidence. That's the genuine mystery worth investigating, the authentic wonder worth celebrating. If the mysteries of space, the unexplained phenomena of our universe, and the tireless search for truth resonate with you, then subscribe to the Mystery Archive. Share this with fellow seekers of knowledge, because understanding our cosmos requires us all to separate fact from fiction, to celebrate genuine discovery over manufactured mystery. The universe is calling. Let's answer together.